I got some fresh bell peppers here, and I'm going to turn them into Italian stuffed bell peppers. So come with me, and I'm going to show you how to make them. I've already taken the peppers. I've got red ones, yellow, and I got orange. Washed them real good, seeded them. I've cut them lengthways here so they'll go longer. I got a green one here, but I don't know if I'm going to use those. We'll have to see. And that's how I stuff my peppers, is that way. So they're ready. I've got onion that I'm going to saute, and I was supposed to have some chopped garlic, but we forgot that. So I'm going to put garlic powder in there, substitute it. We're heating our skillet up. We're going to saute these onions. Get them ready. Put a shake a little bit of salt on them. Start making them sweat. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. About a teaspoon. What makes this a little different is I'm using, instead of tomato sauce, I'm using spaghetti sauce, because I had some. So we're going to let this sweat for 2 or 3 minutes. Let them onions get good and soften. I've got my oven preheated to 425. We're going to roast these bell peppers for about 15-20 minutes. So they'll get a little tender. You don't want them all the way done, because they're going to cook a little more. I've sprayed my pan with some Pam. And we're going to lay the peppers down. And we're going to put them in the oven and roast them. And then we're going to pull them out and fill it with this delicious filling that we're cooking. I've got a pound of hamburger meat. I'm going to dump in here. You just brown it until all the pink is gone. I've cooked the meat and I've drained it, and now we're going to start the filling, and it's about 15 ounces of spaghetti sauce, or you can use tomato sauce. And I got a large teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Put that in there. And we got a large cup of rice that we put in there. 3/4 of a cup of cheese. We'll put that in there, and then we're gonna save some for the top. And this is Colby Jack, shredded Colby Jack mozzarella cheese. We'll stir it. We're going to mix this all together. And we're going to put a top on it. Just let it simmer for about 5 minutes until it gets warmed up and the cheese melts. I've pulled the peppers out of the oven, and the mixture is good and hot and melty, and we're fixing to start stuffing them. It's hot. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on top, sprinkle it. Now we're going to put them, we've lowered the temperature to 350, and we're going to put them in there for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is good and melted, because everything else is cooked. We've taken the peppers out of the oven and they look wonderful. The cheese has melted. They were only in there for about 7 minutes. So, you know, that you don't have to, let me get it in here. Look at that, isn't that wonderful? A thing about peppers right now, they're cheap. There's plentiful, and so it'd be a good dinner to put a salad with or something to have this summer. So, you know, if you grow your own or if you have to buy them at the store, whichever. So I hope you try it. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. And thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.